Hello, my friend. How are you? My name is Moose. I am here today showing you 2013 Chevy Equinox. I am just replacing exhaust manifold. Part number right here, 1651. I'm just replacing exhaust manifold. Let me show you what's inside. This is the part I am replacing. It is Cadillac Comfort with Falaxis pipe. My car has too much sounds. This is Cadillac Comfort with Falaxis pipe. The car is 2013 Chevy Equinox. The engine size is 2.4 Ecotech, 2.4 GMC Ecotech. The tool I am using, or you need to use, is impact gun. If you have impact gun, you need light. If you are working inside, you need light. I'm just using this snap LED light. Okay, you need 15 millimeter deep socket. You need 13 millimeter socket. You need wrench. You need number 10 with extension. You need WD-40 to lose the ball. It's too tight. If you don't have impact gun, you can use this wrench. It's okay. I'm sure you can finish working for this wrench if you don't have impact gun. If you want this LED light, I buy from Snapper for $52. If you want, you need to have a magnet to hold your ball. This dish is magnet. It's holding my ball. Okay, let us go to the car to see what's going on. I already take out most of the job, but number one, safety is number one. Safety is number one. I check up the car. I check with my two rim. Check up the car. If you don't have two rim, you can use a jack. You can use like that jack. Or you can use a rim, whatever you have. But safety is number one, guys. I'm just using a jack, hydraulic jack. Number one, to start work, you need to lose this ball. I already lose it. This is you need to take this cover up. There is another ball here. You need to lose. This is line. Take up this cover. Put it somewhere else here. you need to take engine cover. Open the oil cap here. It's right here. And take the cover up. Okay. There is 2 bolts with 13 millimeter. I just take out here for this bracket holding the cover. There is 2 bolts. One is right here and the other one is right here. The 2 bolt is right here. It's 13 millimeter. Take out this bracket out of the way. Okay, you need to take out, you need to unblock oxygen from the wire right here. Unblock oxygen out of the wire. You need to remove 10 millimeter 3 bolt, 10 millimeter 3 bolt from exhaust cover. This is exhaust cover. This is the cover. It is a little bit difficult, but it's okay. You will get it. It's okay. This is the cover of exhaust manifold cover. There is a 3 bolt. One is right here. Let me show you. One is right here. One is right here, top, and the other one is this side. Take out this cover out of the way. Okay. What you need to do that, then there is 3 bolts here. 3 bolts here. You need to remove. You need to remove these 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts. This is oxygen. You need to lose these 3 bolts to take out. When you take out that 3 bolt, you need to go under the car. You need to go under the car to remove the rest of the bolt. Let's go to under the car. This is the new part. I'm just replacing. Okay. Good. Under the car. Let's go under the car. It's right here. Under the car. Under the car. Right here. There is 2 bolts here, 15 millimeter. You can lose this. You can lose this bolt here. Sorry, my camera is shaking. Now it is good to use the wrench. Impact gun is not working to take out. Let me take my wrench. Let me take out my wrench. Let me take out my wrench. It's right here. Okay. Okay, now it's when you lose the rest you can take by hand. This is 15mm bolt. There is another one here. There's another one here. Okay, when you lose, you can lose the rest your hand. Okay, when you take out this two ball, you need to take this bracket right here, one ball bracket. There's another two ball here. There's another two ball here, 13mm. Two ball here, one ball here. I already lose it. I need to take by my hand. Okay, one is right here. Another one is right here. Another one is right here. You need to remove these three balls here of the bracket. Okay, when you take out the three ball, you need to lose the flux pipe. Okay. Okay, you need to take out oxygen sensor right here. Oxygen sensor. Okay, when you unplug oxygen sensor, you need to remove the holding plastic here.